Hi, this is Mr. Fusion Designs and welcome to our channel. Today I have something really special to show you. I want to surprise you. It's not on screen yet, but it is the portable TV for the Knightrider K.I.T.T from Fanhome. This is being sent to me by Chloe from Modz, and I can't say thank you enough for sending this out to me. As you can see, the packaging is flawless, amazing. You see this lovely little sticker. Everything's packed quite well. I haven't opened it just yet. I want to experience this as you would, open it yourselves. So let's see how to open this up. There we go. Well, the box is quite sturdy, so that's really good, and it does come amazingly packaged with this felt. I'm quite excited. Wow. Now, that's amazing. I'm not gonna lie. So you have included in this a USB charger, a remote control with a SD card adapter, and the portable TV mod itself. And it's a nice weight to that as well. So far that's like really impressive. I'm quite nervous opening it. Hold on. There we take my time. Okay, there we are. Take a look at this amazing little mod. Thank you again, Chloe. This is really great. I will link the details to where you can get this with the video, also in the description. So this is movable. The quality of this is absolutely amazing. Wow. And I have to give you a close-up. So you have an on and off switch. That's where the USB-C will be plugged in. This is your SD card, which is already loaded. And what's that? That is a 8 GB included, which was very generous. Could be more than enough. I have a little trick. Let me just make sure I put it the correct way. I always have a hard time finding which correct way goes, but that's in. You have our tape deck, which is really nice. Can we actually? Oh yes, yeah. So you can actually fold this as well this way. So head over to Fanhome website and log in and go to your Knightrider build up menu. These are all mine that I currently build from Fanhome, and go to assembly guides and then head over to which package. I believe it started from package 3. And then it was issue 7. Just download that. I'm just waiting for the page. I believe it was this page. So you can see a mixtape song list. Now I wanted to do this myself, but the great Modz Chloe has made it much easier now to add tracks to your tape deck, so you can have a portable song list. So from issue 7, I believe, onwards, you can make a tape, a song list, and these are the ones that came in this issue. So you can see Proud Mary, Rolling on the River, and I don't know how you get your MP3 tracks on the internet. I can't tell you how I get mines, but just copy and paste that, and however you get your tracks, just add it to the list onto the SD card that came with our portable TV mod, which I'm gonna show you how to do that. Now head over to your portable TV mod and remove your SD card and insert it into your PC. And when you have inserted it in your PC, you will have a list come up with these tracks. As you can see, you see 0001, 0002, 0003, and so on. They are in MP3 format, so this is the song list or the track list as they come up onto the portable TV mod. Now I have downloaded the tracks from the mixtape, and this is the order I have done it, the way it showed onto the mixtape. So you can see I have renamed them as 0011, 0012, 0013, and so on. So you will have to just copy, go back to your SD card and press paste, and it will copy over to the SD card. As you can see, it's in order as from the previous track. So from 0010, it now continues 0011, 0012. So it's not mixed with the other tracks from Model Modz. So that's the way you can add your own tracks, and I highly recommend you to do that because it's a great way to enjoy this little portable TV mod. I can't unfortunately show you how it sounds, only because of the copyright laws, and it will just mute everything. So I'm so sorry about that, but I can actually tell you it sounds great. So it's a great way to add tracks to your portable TV mod, and you could hear some music on there as well. So I highly recommend you to do that. So let's head over back to the video. So my honest opinion, I can't fault this at all. This is just amazing. So you can just like hold that up. Okay, so that's the actual portable TV mod. Let's just open this up. See it working. I will have another video with this in the Knightrider K.I.T.T vehicle. So if you like, you can put this actual keychain, which I guess we will open that up to show you how that would be. Everything is packaged individually, which is really good. And we could actually, let's just put this on, just to have the keychain on. Really nice touch. But that's how you get that on. The control, sorry, the remote itself is really good in the hand. So let's see. Did press that up, but I think you have to just switch this on. Take a look.
Hello there. Oh, this place is nice. Kind of beats being stuck at Modz, listening to Chloe's damn music all day. So, from the bottom of my microcircuitry, I'd like to thank you for purchasing this amazing mod and supporting Chloe and Model Modz. In the meantime, if you wish to add or remove some of my vocals, you can download the 3,000 plus tracks by scanning the QR code in the box. Oh, and in case you forgot, there is a custom phrase you want me to say, then just head back over to Model Modz and grab a custom voice track with me saying your name. Now I will do my best to assist you and make your model stand out from the rest. So if you're happy with your purchase, please head over to Google and give Chloe a 5-star review. Don't give a 5-star review, then this product will self-destruct. Messing. Seriously, 5 stars or boom boom, there goes your room. Okay, Michael, let's get on with it.
Oh my goodness. I didn't expect that. That was... Oh my goodness. Sorry, I'm speechless. Wow. Was amazing. Well done, Chloe. So, oh, actually, is it behind? No. They said there's a QR code, but I will link that to the description where you can get the extra tracks and a custom track that you would like to say your own name, I believe. But that's so impressive. I wonder if it does it play the same.
Do you wish further information?
Oh no, it has more. Goodness.
Scanning your vital signs, your blood pressure is 190/120 and your pulse is 104. Michael, have you finished reviewing the evidence?
Wow.
Michael,
This is amazing. I love it.
If I may suggest, deafness is always a good approach to law enforcement officers. There's no reason for increased volume. I am scanning your interrogatives quite satisfactorily. I am the voice of Night Industry 2000's microprocessor, K.I.T.T for easy reference, a KIT if you prefer. As you wish, Mr. Knight, but since you are still recovering from your ordeal and I detect we're in a slightly irritable mood caused by fatigue, may I suggest you put the car in the auto-cruise mode for safety's sake? Well, hello there. Oh, this place is nice. Kinda beats being stuck at Modz, listening to Chloe's damn music all day. So, from the bottom of my microcircuitry, I'd like to thank you for purchasing this amazing mod and supporting Chloe and Modz. In the meantime, if you wish to add or remove some of my vocals, you can download the 3,000 plus tracks by scanning the QR code in the box. Oh, in case you forgot, there is a custom phrase you want me to say, then just head back over to Modz and grab a custom voice track with me saying your name. Now I will do my best to assist you and make your model stand out from the rest.
There you go. I think we heard
So if
this
you're
already.
happy- well, hello there. Oh, this place is nice. Kinda do you wish further information on the silicone? Are you?
Yep. So that's all the tracks. So I probably will take a look at the tracks and might add a few tracks that I'm gonna try to give you a little bit of a surprise. But even these little air antennas, look at the detail on that. But I believe when you do charge this, you have to put it on the off side. So this is off, and then you take your USB-C cable and one of those phone chargers. You just connect the other end to that. That should be fine. And I guess we'll put that there. So we have connected our USB cable that came with the kit, and when you do charge this, you have to remember to put it on the off side. Don't put it on the on side, only because you will be running the battery alongside with the charging, and it will just continually charge the battery and drain the battery at the same time, which that's not the point of it. So you have to put it on the off side. Takes about an hour and 10 minutes if it's completely drained, and it lasts about 3 hours with continuous use. So you have to use a USB standard cable, not a PD cable that you can connect to like a laptop or anything like that, only because it doesn't have that circuit with it. This is just runs a normal USB-C cable that you have with your kit. I just recommend you just using your cable, and yeah, that's it. So yeah, so just remember to switch that off. So that's on, that's Thank you again, Chloe. It is really amazing. I can't say thank you enough. It's great. I love this mod. It would go lovely with our model when it's finally built, because I hold it off quite a while to finish this off. But I'm really grateful that I did, because you have all these amazing mods now available. So I'm gonna link Chloe's Model Mods site just there. It will be just click on that, and if you really like this mod, I suggest you to purchase this, because it's a really quality mod. And yeah, thank you again, Chloe, and look forward to installing this in my vehicle quite closely on the passenger side. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. And if you like this video, can you hit that thumbs up and hit the like? I can't remember if it's a thumbs up or like. And subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot for watching. Look forward to seeing you all next time. Thanks. Bye.